Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up a free Power Automate desktop in your PC. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. Before going to that, just read this news from Microsoft at Ignite 2021. It's March 2021. In 2020, Microsoft Power Automate doubled down on its investment in the robotic process automation space with the introduction of Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. We first introduced RPA, that is Robotic Process Automation, in Power Automate at Microsoft Ignite 2019. And we have seen tremendous growth with hundreds of thousands of organizations using Power Automate and taking billions of actions each month. So today we are continuing this momentum by announcing that desktop automation in Power Automate Desktop will be available to Windows 10 users at no additional cost. This is an awesome. Windows 10 users can harness the power of low-code robotic process automation by downloading the Power Automate Desktop on March 2, 2021, and it will be included in Windows Insider Preview build in the coming weeks. So if you already have downloaded the previous version of Power Automate Desktop, then you have to replace this, re-download again using this link. It will open up this in the browser and you can download it from here. So because the old version will not allow you to use your personal Hotmail account, because it will allow you to only log in through your Office or through premium account. So but this version you can easily log into your personal account. So let's understand how it actually works. After downloading these things, it will open up this new window. So if you notice at the bottom of this screen, there's a version and existing is this version. So I have already downloaded this version, which was supposed to work only with the work and office accounts, not with the personal account. But this version, the 2.5 released on March of 2021, we can add our personal email account in that. So this is the home screen of it. Once you open up the exe setup file and you need to click on next. After that, you need to tick those options which is required and then click on install. So it will just go on the installation process and then finish. That's it. So you have an option like install Power Automate extension for Google Chrome, Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. I have installed only these three browsers in my PC. If you install the Safari or Opera, it will also show up here, I believe, but I have not tested for that. So once you click on the Chrome extension, it will open up like this. You can add this Chrome extension if you want to record your browser as well. After you start this Power Automate Desktop, you need to sign into your personal account or to your work account or premium account, and then it will open up this home screen. You need to set up your region or country and then click on get started. So this is how the home screen will look like if nothing has been done so far. And from here, you can start creating the flows. It will open up a new window where you will have this on the left side, the action items, 370, 80 plus control action items here. On the center, you have the canvas where you can drag and drop the features. And on the right side, you have the variables. Also, you have the UI elements if you want to capture that, and in the image as well if you want to add that. And you can see on the top you have web recorder if you want to record the browser, or if you want to record the desktop, you can use the desktop recorder as well. So on the file you have save, exit, edit. You can or use debug. You can also debug your step-by-step process, and that's it. Flows. Actually, Power Automate Desktop has 380 plus custom functions which you can use to automate our desktop. So hopefully we'll cover all those one by one in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. This is so simple, and Power BI Desktop is free, and like that Power Automate Desktop is also a free version for any users who are using Windows 10. So upgrade your PC to Windows 10 if you're not yet so far, and then enjoy the benefit of Power Automate to automate your process. This is going to be a life-changing experience for the many users. You can automate many of your processes which are using daily on a day-to-day basis. So stay tuned for the further updates from my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel so far, please hit the subscribe button to get the latest update of this Power Automate Desktop and Power BI as well. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.